Beautiful, quality-built lying home in sought-after Shaughnessy neighborhood. This one-of-a-kind property must be seen to be appreciated. Open floor plan with abundant natural light, ideal for everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen features slide-out drawers, island, extensive countertops and cabinetry, and opens to the eating area and family room, with a formal dining room for gatherings. The oversized primary suite includes a separate shower and jetted tub. One guest bedroom is configured as a functional home office with a built-in Murphy bed. Outside is a private, serene yard, perfect for relaxation. A remarkable 1,200 plus or minus square foot, two-story fully finished shop provides endless possibilities. The upper level is a true sports cave with a private deck overlooking the yard, while the lower level is built for the hobbyist. Additional highlights include front and rear sprinkler systems, a large powered storage shed, greenhouse, gated RV parking, and an attached 3-car garage.